Tips to your reorder paragraphs in reading module. What is reorder paragraph? Reorder paragraph is nothing but you have the several text boxes on screen in a random order. You have to place the text boxes in the correct sequence. You will be judged on the ability to understand the organization and coherence of an academic text. The first thing, you have to identify the topic sentence, which means the independent sentence. It clearly gives a statement about the topic and doesn't refer back to any other sentence. The second is noun followed by the pronoun. The third tip is transition words also help you to link your sentence and helps them to keep the idea in focus. For example, moreover, however, firstly, etc. The next thing is articles. Indefinite article, definite article. A is an indefinite article, the is the definite article. So indefinite article comes first, then comes the definite article. The chronological date and order also will help you to arrange the sentences in sequence. So use your knowledge of subject, verb, object to find the connection. Try this and you will find your reorder paragraphs easy. For more such tips, follow Gems Abroad.